Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to buy Bitcoin on Stash app. To buy Bitcoin on the Stash app, you will need to open a brokerage account which is included with your Stash subscription. Stash offer exposure to Bitcoin through the Bitwise Bitcoin ETFs, which is vital, allowing you to invest in Bitcoin without directly purchasing the cryptocurrency. So to get started, launch the Stash app on your device and log into your account. Then tap on the Invest tab to access your investment option. Then use the search function to find the Bitwise Bitcoin, which is ETFs. Then from there, tap on the ETF to view its details and enter the amount you would like to invest. Then follow the prompt to complete the purchases. Then please note that Stash partners with Apex Crypto to provide cryptocurrency service, and any crypto transaction are subjected to their terms and conditions. Additionally, while Stash offer access to Bitcoin through ETFs, you won't be able to transfer all cryptocurrency or transfer the cryptocurrency to an external wallet at the time. Stash recommended holding no more than 2% of your overall portfolio in anyone's cryptocurrency to limit crypto-specific risk. And that's it.